What is going on, crypto family? This is your boy Random Marks coming with a quick video. And on this video, guys, we're going to be talking about runes protocol, guys. And guys, we are nearly at the finish line, or actually, I guess you could call it the starting line, due to the fact that the Bitcoin halving is happening in 11 hour, guys. 11 hours and 30 minutes. So that would roughly be in Eastern Standard Time, roughly around like 10:50 ish PM. Now, keep in mind, it is based upon the block, so this time could actually go faster or it could actually get delayed a little bit. So make sure you guys are checking in to be able to see as far as like when the final 73 blocks is going to get finished, being produced. So without further ado, like I mentioned to you guys, I was going to make a video just to be able to explain to you guys how to be able to do it and what I'm going to be looking for as far as for these mints. Because at the end of the day, I don't know which one is really going to pop, but I do have a guideline as far as what I'm going after to be able to try to make these insane type of gains. Now, if you don't already have a Unisat wallet, guys, you got to make sure you already do. You could certainly just go to their website. It is Unisat. So it's UNISAT.io. And from there, you could download a wallet. I downloaded mine from Google Chrome. So if you guys want to do the same thing, you can. There are other wallets out there, but Unisat is the go-to, the one that I've been using. So I feel very comfortable with them. Now, with this, guys, this is just the test net, what you're seeing right here. So, um, in fact, yeah. So when I switched it over, let me just get it back to like mainnet, because when you pull up, here it is right here. You could download the extension, that's what I did. Um, so once everything goes live after the Bitcoin halving, I'm talking about like as soon as the block hits, to be able to start minting or itching or inscribing, whatever you want to call it, these runes token. This is what you're going to see. So you're going to see something like this. You want to make sure you do connect your wallet. This is what I'm doing right now. Um, then once you do that, it should populate like another option as far as like to runes. When I go to the test net, this is how it looks on the test net. So hopefully this is what we're going to see on the live version as soon as the thing happen. So you want to make sure you click on, well, let me reconnect again. I'm sorry. So once I get connected to my wallet, I want to click on runes, right? So you click on runes and right here you'll have it. It's super simple. So if you guys minted like inscribed the BRC20, I'm sorry, the SRC20 token on Shibarium, you should be able to do the same as well. So whatever token that you're looking for, you could just type it up. And one thing that I'm doing, guys, just to be able to make sure that I'm not just minting just random tokens, I want to mint the tokens that people are excited about, people that are building communities around. Now, I'm not going after any airdrop token. So if you're going after airdrop token, I think you essentially are buying from the other parties that are getting these airdrops, because they're going to just dump it onto the market. That's how I feel about airdrop tokens. So I'm avoiding all airdrop tokens. So one thing about this right here, you have Explorer, right? So with the Explorer, you're going to see progress. You're going to see holders. So I'm going to look for the ones that are in progress. So you're going to look for all the one that's in progress. And you could do it based upon, like based upon which one is in like the fastest, that's about to mint out the fastest. So I'm gonna do that based upon this search, and also I'm gonna look on holders. So I want to see more holders in comparison to the other ones, because I can't say there's a certain amount of holders, because this is gonna be day one. But I would like to see holders. Let's say this had like 1,000 holders, then you see all the other ones maybe with like 5 or 6. So I'm going after the one with the most, and then I'm gonna try to attack the next one, the second one with the second best holders. and so on and so on. Now, another thing too to keep in mind, so that way you guys are making sure that you're not buying these airdrop tokens, is whenever you click onto this, you got to see if it is mintable. If it's true that it's mintable, then more likely, this is not an airdrop token. Or if you see like the supply is 70, then there's a pre-mine that's 70. So if you see something like that, that's more likely is a one of those airdrops, because they're minted it to themselves and now they're just airdropping it to their community. So that's another way so you guys do not get fooled based upon holder counts, because if they're airdropping to their community, their holder count is going to be higher. So in order for us to be able to avoid that, make sure that you go click into the token, and more likely it's going to also be said complete as well too. So it may eliminate some of that process as well. Now, once you finish minting your token, and again, it shows you how to do it right here. Mint, you put whatever you want to do it. We'll put bone. And also another tokens to do go after. Like all these meme tokens that's currently on Solana, the top one like dog with hat or cat, whatever it's called. I think it's Whiff. Yeah, go after Whiff, go after Pepe. Those are some of the ones that I'm gonna go after. If someone already creates one, I'm gonna go after Bone. I'm gonna go after Sheeb, like Doge. I'm gonna go after some of the big meme tokens name, because typically what I seen in the market before, when those original meme tokens that's on their respected chain start having a big pump, it does start having another pump as far as on the other markets. So to be able to mint, again, you type in the token. So we do bone. You want to repeat it. Like the repeating part is based upon how many tokens that is. Let me just do one with progress, so that way we could make it a little simpler. Taiwan no on. Oh, so right here you could actually just go in here, mint directory, and boom. You just click how many times you want it to repeat the process. So you could do 1,000 times. So if you do 1,000 times based upon this token, let me go back to it. I'm sorry. I'm just making this video, guys, on the fly for you. So please excuse the lack of preparedness. So this one supply is 21 million. This one was pre-minted, so pretty much you could say this is gonna get airdropped to some of the community members. So more likely, if I seen something like this, I'll probably still get into it, due to the fact that the whole supply has not been minted yet. If the whole supply was minted, I would definitely not get into it. But 21 million, we're gonna repeat the process 1,000 times. You click next. Then on here is gonna tell you as far as like how much it's gonna cost. So this is gonna cost $4,797 if you're trying to mint 1,000 of these bad boys. Which again, that's a lot. So let's just see how much it would be if we wanted to do something very respectable. Let's just say 20. Let me change it to 20. 20 with current gas price, that's about $124.13. So gas right now, it is somewhat higher than usual. So hopefully, it may get even higher, especially once we start the minting process, because it is going to be a lot of people flooding the Bitcoin network. So you could either wait, or you could just be able to get in early. So I'm going to make my decision as far as when I get in based upon the gas, because I don't want to do bid wars for anybody. So I want to try to get in, because at the end of the day, I want to spend the least amount of money to be able to make the maximum amount. Again, these are all free mints. So 20 would get me 100 billion tokens. So 100 billion times 20, you do the math, that's how much I would actually get into this token. And I would be paying $124.13 for it. Since I do want to get in on multiple different tokens, I'll probably, if I did see something like this, $124, I'll probably just decrease the amount, and let's just say, and do maybe 5 or something like that. But if you have the capital to be able to play with, again, guys, you're not trying to get into this like this right here. To me, see, guys, just went down a little bit. Now it's at 17 sat. So with 5, you're looking at $18.95. Like, this is something that if I see, I'm taking all day, all night, because 18 bucks to be able to get what? This is 100 billion a pop. So this is 500 billion. So I did 5. So this would be 500 billion tokens that I'm getting from 100, I think it was like 120 trillion. So that is actually a huge amount when you're doing based upon percentage as far as what the max supply is. So I wouldn't mind doing that. So $18, and this token start having a nice pump, and you're dumping, not dumping, but you're selling, or you're selling 500 billion tokens to the market once everything start going parabolic. This is how you could easily turn this $18.95 into something very, very respectable, and talk about in the hundreds of thousands or even in the millions. And this is what it means to be in early on, guys. So I'm super excited just to be able to see how this thing plays out. And also, you do have the marketplace as well too. So this is where you're going to actually be able to start to sell your asset. Now, keep in mind, Unisat, when it comes to selling, that is just one marketplace. You do have OKX, which does do a lot of volume over there as well too. So you could also sell it over there, because at the end of the day, it is going to be in your wallet. So you're going to be able to use it to go to other marketplaces. So hopefully this is help you guys out. I said I was going to make a video before it, so keep track of this, guys, with the halving. So it's 18 minutes, 73 blocks is left, so we'll see what we get. So hopefully you guys pay attention to this video. If you did not, go back and watch it. If you have even more questions, leave it in the comment down below. Random Arts, guys, signing off. Peace.